Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this TFlexCam training course, and the topic for today will be the technological toolpaths. The system allows to create this what we call technological toolpaths for flat types of machining. For this purpose, we have a function inside in any of these 2D toolpath types, like for example when we go to milling, we have this symbol here with the T, technological toolpaths, and we have these options for all of these: turning, drilling, laser, wire cutting, whatever. Okay, it may depend a little the functions we may have inside of each one, but the concept and the idea, it is the same. Such toolpaths are necessary, for example, for specifying additional commands in the control sequence for servicing the technological processes, or even for other purposes. Let us show you a very brief example. We don't have anything created, so if we want to additionally insert some commands or some options in our toolpath, so I can go for milling, technological toolpaths, and I can start giving options, for example, whatever I want. Another coordinate system, G90 or G91, new command, you can insert a comment, for example, test. You can insert a certain feed rate, whatever you want, and okay, safety plan, 200, whatever you want. Okay, so let's do it. And inside this list we have already an entry considering the toolpath 1. If we do the machining simulation, it will not make anything, okay, it will not appear anything, but you see that we have already these parameters we've inserted in this list. Okay, this is the concept, to insert this kind of options, commands, comments, whatever you have. You may have also in these technological toolpaths, you can choose also a path, because you can include this with all of these commands and so on. You can include it in the toolpath. So, for example, let us do a simulation, and now you have some. We don't have any tool here, but we have the contour, the path, and we have these options we had inserted, so in the middle or in the end of the process. And it's not the case in this particular example, but we can have these movements and heights before or after the toolpath. So it is very interesting. It opens a lot of possibilities. We can connect this with the post processor, so it's very interesting. Let us do it again and do another simulation. So, and the look, it's this kind of thing here. We will have, to finish this video, we will have, as I mentioned already, a couple of examples in the end of these video lessons, and we will try to go from the start, from the initial model, to creating all the toolpaths, doing the post-processor, and if necessary to insert also some of these functions to explain some possibilities and to explore some options. So be connected with our channel, because we will apply this in practice a little later on the sequence of videos.